Hello. This is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to redeem NFL Shop gift card and how you can purchase items from NFL Shop using gift cards. First, go to nflshop.com and then sign in to your account. Now find the items that you like and add them to cart. After you are done adding the items, click Checkout button. Click on Apply Gift Card Number and then enter the 16-digit gift card number that you can find at the back of your gift card. After that, enter the 8-digit PIN. Finally hit Apply. Now the amount will be deducted from NFL gift card and then purchase will be made. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.